What's up, you guys? Today we are finally back with another video, and today, as promised, we are unboxing the Bridal series by SXC Cosmetics. This is a polygel kit. It has tons and tons of colors, and it comes with clear, pink, and white, although the clear was an epic failure. I'm not sure what went wrong with the clear polygel. I'm sure maybe if I soak it in some warm water, it will work, but you guys will see that on the swatching portion. And you guys remember on that last video when I did my friend's nails and I couldn't figure out where the glitters were from? Well, it turns out they were actually from this kit. Never would have even guessed it, but it makes a lot of sense now because those glitters are literally so beautiful. So yeah, it comes with 10 different polygel colors. The polygel brush, which has the picker on one side and the brush on the other. We get some rhinestones. It comes with clear and ABS, which I thought was super cute. We also will get some Louis Vuitton nail stickers, which is super cute as well. I'm not really into brand names like that, but here we have our dual forms. As you guys can see, I'm like, oh my goodness, that's where these came from. So I put them in there really quickly. But it comes with 6 different glitters. The file, which is never my favorite. And then nail forms. So we got those. And then also a top coat, a base coat. And it comes with the rhinestone picker and the little wax pencil and some ABS rhinestones in miscellaneous shapes, which are super cute. I tried to show you guys the detail and the cut on some of them. Those big raindrop ones, I love those. They're so freaking awesome. And you guys, I love, if there's, you already know, I really love the SXC Cosmetics Glow series, both of them. I love the butterfly series because that translucency on those polygels is super, super cute. But with this kit right here, the vibes. Do you guys see those blue glitters? I want to use them so badly. They give mermaid vibes. Mermaid vibes. This kit also comes with a lamp, and this time, unlike all the other previous times, I actually plugged it in to see how it works. It's cool. It's sensor activated, so if it's just there and you put your hand in, then it will turn on. You can also select the 30-second time and the 60-second time. I really like this because it's super minimal and basic. It's lightweight and it's portable. I could imagine if you just wanted to do a little slumber party vibe with some nails getting done, that would be perfect for traveling. So yeah, here are all the colors. We're going to go ahead and swatch them out, and you guys can tell me what you think in the comments below. At the end, I'm going to be showing you guys which ones were my favorites. I put hearts next to them. And like I said, you guys, I really love this kit. It comes with a nude, a pink, and a clear, and a white. I forgot to tell you guys about the nude color. So yeah. And this color right here, we're going to be using in today's video. We're also going to be using the nude from the Max series instead of this nude right here. Actually, yeah. I used the nude from the Max series. Or did I? Oh, yes, I did. But the first nude right there, the Cherish color, I actually used that in the next video. So, but for this video today, nude from the Max series and then the Sweetheart from this series, and they turned out flawless. They were literally so freaking cute. And just a little disclaimer, you guys, I only did 5 fingers on this video. The shape was not perfect. I thought that I was experimenting with the shape and trying something new, and it just was not perfect. And I was like, no, I don't want to do this. So I only did 5 fingers instead of all 10. And here are all the colors with their names. The purple, the Forever is everything. It truly is. Soulmate, which is the blue color. I'm really looking forward to using those. Eternity, like what is this? And Sweetheart, which I already used, which is one of my favorites. Which ones are your guys' favorites? And if you guys have this kit already and you have created some looks, please tag me on your photos in your photos on Instagram, because I always want to see what people come up with these kits. I'm really thinking of some super cute nails with these colors. Like Glamorous, Always, and Faithful, they could go in a set together very easily. I'm just, I love, it's always so, something about the SXC Cosmetics Polygel kits, they literally always give me so many ideas, you guys. And I get like, you know how people say they have like brain block, or what do they call that? Writer's block or something like that. I swear I get creators overload with these kits sometimes. Alright, you guys, so walking straight into the video, we are going to be using our Makart pump-ups. You guys have seen these on my channel before, and the Makart nail glue, which I love. I love me some Makart nail glue, okay, honey? Anyways, you guys, I do have an affiliate link, or I like to call it a discount code, but it technically is an affiliate link. But I do have a discount code with Makart, and it's Scorpion Goddess. So if you want to go ahead and get 15% off your order, then be sure to use my discount code. Today is March 12th. My giveaway is now, all of the submissions that have been put in, they are going to be considered for the drawing. However, there are no more entries available because entries closed yesterday on March 11th at 11:11 p.m. But I do want to let you guys know that I am going to be doing another giveaway, or a few giveaways again soon. So what I would love for you guys to do, if you want to comment to me, if you want to inbox me, if you want to go on my blog and send me a message, however you want to do it, please let me know some products that you like from either Makart or SXC Cosmetics, or really any brand, to be totally honest. Let me know some items that you guys would like to see in some giveaways moving forward, because I am going to be doing more giveaways. Let me see, what is this? This is March. It's the middle of March. So probably in May, for the month of May, I will open up for another giveaway. So you guys stay tuned. If you haven't already, you can subscribe to my blog. I have not uploaded anything there or posted anything lately. I have been so overwhelmed with gratitude, to be honest. You guys, my subscriber count is always growing. Every time I look at it, it's totally different than it was the time before. So thank you guys so much. And just to let you guys know, on the video, we are using Ambrosia, which is a temperature changing color of Polygel by SXC Cosmetics. We're also using that Sweetheart color, and we're using Nude from the Max series. And these nails came out glamorous AF. Like, I honestly was so regretful that I didn't have the full set. They truly remind me of a set that I did in the beginning of my nail journey. And those nails were dip powder nails, and they were similar in shape to these. And they were supposed to be stiletto, but that was before I even knew how to do like a snatched stiletto. And that was what I ended up hating about these, was that they looked like I tried to make them into like a little wonky stiletto, but no, I wanted them to be like round nails. It's just the fact that they were coffin tips that it just did not work out. But I am going to be using nail forms again soon. I really love nail forms, and I feel like they seem like such a commitment, and they seem like, OMG, I don't even want to deal with them. But nail forms are definitely where it's at when it comes to doing your nails. I cannot even hold you guys up Every time I don't use my nail forms, I'm like, Samantha, you know you're stupid. Like, you know you need to use your nail forms. But I'm just a brat about it. It's because, like, they start to go and I'm like, I miss my nail forms. Like, I like to have a stockpile of them. But anyways, you guys, if you would like to see the nail forms that I like to use, you can go to my Amazon storefront. And I don't know exactly what category it is. It's probably miscellaneous nail supplies. But I do have the nail forms. They're like a butterfly shape and they're pink and black. I really love those nail forms. And there's a couple of things that I want to invest into soon. I want to invest into those super, super XXL nail forms. I also want to invest into some 𝑖𝑛𝑘𝑠 couture. So if you guys have any ideas of things that you would like to see from 𝑖𝑛𝑘𝑠, I'll probably do like a haul from there. So if you guys can send me ideas, I'll be super, super, super happy. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. Turn on that sorry y'all, I try not to cuss. Turn on that notification bell and subscribe if you aren't already. I'm assuming that you are. Otherwise, why are you even here? No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm just doing my nails. I'm doing some polygel. This set, I was impressed with the speed, and I had things out on the side that I wanted to incorporate, but I ended up keeping it so simple. They ended up looking so glam, 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 glam. Alrighty, moving on. Enough of that. About my giveaway. So I have not gotten a chance to go through and review everyone's entry yet. I am going to be working on that as soon as I get done with everything I have to do for this current video. I did want to give you guys an update. So it's going to take at least a few days for me to go through all of the submissions because I have to check on YouTube. I have to check on my blog, which is my email essentially. And then I have to also check on my DMs on Instagram. And I have to check that you all did the hashtag. So this being my first giveaway, I think I made it super hard for myself, but I tried to make it as organized as possible. And I was just so excited to finally give this stuff away that I was just like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, whatever. And I just put it all together and then I was like, okay, here we go. And it hasn't been like the smoothest sale, to be totally honest, but it's my first time and it's something I've never done before. And it's super, super, super fun. I ended up getting way more entries than I thought that I would get. And it's super sweet. I hope you guys love everything and that, like it's for beginners. And that's why I will hold more giveaways so that anyone who didn't feel like they were able to really take advantage of this giveaway because they're more advanced or maybe they didn't need the stuff that I was giving away, I do want to also give away like releases from these different. You guys know that I'm an ambassador for 𝑚𝑒 and I'm an ambassador for SXC. So I would love to go ahead and put together some packages from those brands or from other brands that you guys suggest to me, and that like these nail hauls that I'm going to be doing and stuff like that, and share some stuff. So just let me know what you guys have in mind. It's not a big deal. We will get this done. Meanwhile, so as far as the submissions, I think I'm going to do the drawing on the 17th, which is going to be Thursday on St. Patrick's Day. So on St. Patrick's Day, which is Thursday, March 17th, I'm going to be telling you guys who won in the giveaway. And I'm so excited. So I'm going to be verifying all of the entries. If there was anybody who entered but didn't follow all the steps or missed anything, I'm still going to go ahead and inbox you and I'm going to let you know like, hey, you got to do this, you got to do that. I do want it to be 100% fair as far as everyone doing what they are supposed to do. But also at the same time, just going ahead and letting you guys know like, hey, you forgot to do this, and making sure that your entry is counted. From that point, then I'm going to go ahead and put everyone's name on a wheel, all the entries, and we're going to spin the wheel and we're going to see who wins. So that's really exciting. And the thing about it is that there's 4 giveaways, so that makes your chances even higher, 4 giveaways, But I did ask you guys which package or which giveaway that you were most interested in. So if I see that you did answer that question and you let me know which giveaway you were most interested in, then I will go ahead and put your name in twice for that specific giveaway. So you'll have your entries for all the giveaways and then you'll have your extra entry for the one. Does that make sense, you guys? Anyways, so yeah. Let me think if I'm forgetting anything. So I will be posting on my blog, and I will be officially announcing this there. So if I spoke too fast, or if you don't feel like going back, or if you just want to be able to refer to the information later, it will be on my blog, which you do have to be following my blog. And yeah, you have to have completed that little form on my blog as well, so that I can correspond with you. So I will be going ahead and making sure that I get to everyone who interacted with me or submitted their entry, so that I can let you guys know, like, so everyone knows. But yeah, so enough of that. I'm just trying to make sure I get everything covered. This is my second time doing this voiceover. The first time was supposed to be for yesterday, but my day was way busier than I anticipated. So I had to switch it up, and I am so excited for you guys to see my St. Patrick's Day video that I'm going to be uploading, and I'm so excited to draw the names for the giveaway. Once I do draw the names, everyone will have at least they'll have 7 days to get back in touch with me and claim their prize or their giveaway. So that's a whole week. So that means that the giveaways will be mailed out. They'll have a week to confirm, and then I'll mail out the giveaways on the 28th of March. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay. Because I want to give everybody a set amount of time to go ahead and claim their giveaway prize. But you guys, look at them. They're so adorable. Nah, I'm just kidding, you guys. But they are literally so cute. I love them. It's just, I don't know. It was just such a vibe. But they looked more stiletto than round, and so I wasn't happy with them. And that color, the temperature changing one, I was banking on it actually being more red, but it was more white because, you know, it's color, temperature changing color. So yeah. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.